Back to the action on track. This is the Open and Masters Women's 200 meters. Grab the qualifying started 24.35 seconds. Here are your lane assignments. Lane 7, Red Line Athletics, Kylie Wallace. Lane 6, Saraya Wells, Red Line Athletics. Lane 4, Markel Newbold, running unattached. Lane 3, Jumper Singh, Sunil Lockhart. And rounding out the field in lane 2, road runners, Samantha Saunders. This will be the final call for triple jumpers, under 17 Open and Masters Women. Final call. Back to the action on the track. This is the women's 200 meters heat. Heat 1 of 4, Masters and Open. Already out in front. Here comes Kylie Wallace of Red Line Athletics. She's running well, looking good. Down the straightaway they come. Who will it be? Here comes Markel Newbold, Kylie Wallace. Will it be Kylie Wallace? Wallace shutting it down, but she takes the win.